Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about SEMrush, a powerful tool that can take your SEO and content marketing to the next level. Specifically, we'll be diving deep into how to use SEMrush for two essential tasks: keyword research and domain analysis. By the end of this video, you'll be able to find high-volume, relevant keywords your target audience is searching for, analyze your competitors' keywords to see what they're ranking for, uncover valuable insights about any domain, including its organic traffic and top keywords. Whether you're a complete SEO beginner or looking to refine your existing strategy, SEMrush is a game changer. So, let's jump right in. This is your dashboard, and we will start keyword researching here. You can select any specific country. Let's check the full keyword report. You can sort the keywords by number or by volume. Check the search volume of the keywords from here. You can edit the columns and add or remove elements. Let's add one element. Keyword trend is important, so let's add this. Set your keyword volume limit from here. Filter the keyword competition. KD defines the keyword difficulty here. You can set your CPC rates from here. Include or exclude keywords. Search keywords by group. You can research for only questions type keywords. Explore more features from SEMrush. Let's check the domain analysis. For domain analysis, we will use the SEMrush website. This is authority score, organic search traffic, paid search traffic, backlink audit. Let's research organic keywords. Here you can check keyword positions, also their search volumes, CPC rates of that keyword. Find competitor backlink report from here. Sort the authority score for better research. Check backlinks with in-depth research. Take your time. Note every details from the competitors. Not only backlinks, you can also research the anchor texts, indexed pages, outbound domains, network graph, and many more here. All right, everyone. That wraps up our exploration of using SEMrush for keyword research and domain analysis. Remember, consistent keyword research is crucial for staying ahead of the curve in SEO. By leveraging SEMrush, you can gain valuable data to inform your content strategy and attract more organic traffic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more SEO tips and tricks. I'll be releasing new content regularly to help you dominate the search engine game. Thanks for watching.